Hi everyone, welcome back to Leighton Vans. Now, we're in my favourite place of the business. We're in our workshop at LV2, also known as the Dream Factory. What we're going to talk to you about today is getting your van ready for spring this year. We're into February, we're not far off hitting spring, winter is nearly out of the way. And yeah, we've got availability to get your van spring, summer ready. So we've got the mechanics here prepped and ready for any exterior work such as sidebars, roof bars, wheel and tyre packages, suspension packages, even down to yearly maintenance servicing or wheel alignment. We can get all of that sorted out for you on these ramps. So if we move back a little bit through the workshop, you can see we've got plenty going on down here. We've got a load of vans in build. We've got our trimming tables here. The guys are prepped and ready for leather seat upgrades for this year. We've got Davey doing some suede paneling here. We've got James Sawyer carpeting some panels. And then moving round onto our conversion bays, we have got availability and space in these conversion bays to do interior lining ready for this year. If you're running a panel van at the minute and you're wanting something a bit different, you want to turn it into a combi, we can get that done in this section of the workshop. Anything down to, like I say, leather seat upgrades, audio upgrades. We've got a virtual dash going on down there. We've got some headlight upgrades with the awesome Transporter HQ 6.1 headlights. We've also got the guys at Skyline Roofs here dropping off some pop-top roofs ready for the next few weeks. That is something that we can do ready for this year. I've got the guys at Steel Pods coming up later this month to drop some stock of the steel pods off, because you guys are flying with the steel pods. We've took so many bookings of them already. So if you're wanting any of these upgrades, I recommend you get in touch and get your slot booked. So after all the work's been done down in LV2, there's one more place for us to visit, and that is our detailing section down at LV1. So let's go and have a look down there. So another service that we offer here is our detailing service. Now, this is the perfect service to get your van ready for spring. We've had a couple of months of shocking weather, road salt, constant wetness on the roads, and these are a big thing to try and keep clean. So what we offer here is our full detailing service. We can do a full cutback and machine polish to get your van shining again, ready for spring. And if you want to protect that shine over the next winter, we also offer our ceramic coating service. So all these vans here are sat, detailed, ready to go out. The guys are working on some more, getting these vans spring ready for some customers. So yeah, if you want to take advantage of this, drop us a message, get booked in for our detailing service, or any of the other services that I've shown you today. Then get on the phone, drop us an email to service@leightonvans.co.uk, or reach out on social media and we'll get your van booked in and get it looking mint for spring.